Welcome to the Duvo platform. What you're looking at right now is the main dashboard, where you have an immediate, high-level overview of all your ongoing assignments and automations. It's the central hub for managing your AI agents. Now let's take a look at the Duvo.ai interface. But for your agents to truly become powerful and execute real business tasks autonomously, they need seamless access to your company's data. If we navigate to the Connections section on the left, you'll find an extensive library of ready-made integrations. Whether your team relies on Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, communication tools like Slack, or even heavy-duty corporate ERP systems like SAP and NetSuite, Duvo supports it. You can even connect directly to massive data warehouses like Snowflake or BigQuery. The goal here is simple: connect your entire tech stack in just a few clicks, without writing a single line of code. This removes all technical bottlenecks, allowing you to turn complex data into immediate, automated results and smarter decisions without ever needing a developer. These native tools work out of the box with zero setup. They allow your AI to navigate websites, process complex documents, and execute tasks autonomously. This gives you an instant AI workforce that cuts manual labor by 40% and removes all technical barriers. You also have the ability to securely manage login credentials for specific web browsers. This allows your agents to safely interact with gated web applications on your behalf. Import from Authenticator allows the AI agent to log into your accounts on its own, even if they are protected by two-factor authentication. And right below that, in the Skills and Files section, you can upload your own internal documents, guidelines, and custom skills. This is how you give your agents the critical, company-specific context they need to make the right decisions for your business. And if you're ever not quite sure where to start, you don't have to build from scratch. Duvo offers a comprehensive, ever-growing catalog of pre-built business workflows. These are neatly organized by department like finance, supply chain, or merchandising, so you can instantly deploy proven strategies that deliver immediate ROI. Simply pick a template and tailor it to your specific needs in minutes. It's the ultimate shortcut to scaling your operations with zero friction. But for the sake of this demonstration, let's step back and see how incredibly easy it is to create a brand new, highly complex assignment completely from scratch. But you don't have to build from scratch. Use Duvo Templates. Templates offers a catalog of pre-built business workflows, neatly organized by departments. In the main assignment builder window, we don't need any complex programming languages. We simply type out exactly what we want the agent to do using natural language. We'll start by assigning its specific role. In this case, we're instructing the AI to act as a highly experienced, senior AI business analyst. Its main objective will be to thoroughly research and evaluate recently released artificial intelligence tools that are currently disrupting the market. To ensure we get exactly what we want, we'll define a precise, step-by-step workflow for the agent to follow. Step 1 involves conducting deep research to identify these tools. Step 2 requires a comprehensive analysis of their core features and use cases. For Step 3, we are asking the agent to compile all this data into a clear comparison table. And finally, Step 4 will be writing a concise executive summary for our management team. Once our prompt is fully written and ready to go, all we have to do is hit the Generate button. Watch what happens next. Duvo takes our natural language text and instantly transforms it into a highly structured, reliable standard operating procedure that the agent can execute flawlessly every single time. Pay close attention to the panel on the right side of the screen. Here, we can monitor the agent's progress in real time as it actually thinks and works through the steps we outlined. You can see it autonomously launching web searches, navigating the internet to find the most up-to-date information, browsing through the latest news articles, and carefully analyzing the sources it discovers. It's essentially performing hours of human research in a matter of moments. The moment it gathers enough high-quality data to satisfy our requirements, it seamlessly transitions to the next phases. It starts building that comparison table we asked for, drafts the executive summary, and begins assembling all these pieces into a final, polished intelligence briefing document. What would normally take an analyst a full afternoon, the agent handled completely autonomously in just a few seconds. But let's be honest, even if it takes a few minutes, it's still an incredible jump in speed compared to 4 hours of manual work. And here we have our final result. As we scroll through, you can see it's a highly professional report that follows our instructions to the letter. It features beautifully formatted, structured text highlighting key findings, along with a perfectly organized comparison table evaluating tools like OpenAI Frontier and Claude Sonnet based on their market impact. As we scroll through, we can clearly see the key findings section summarizing the most important insights from the analysis. On the left side, we can also see how long Duvo worked on this job, giving us full transparency into the execution process. But the workflow doesn't have to stop there. Instead of starting over, we can immediately continue working with this output to drive further value. Let's use the follow-up prompt box at the bottom. We'll give the agent a creative new task. We want it to brainstorm a specific, actionable startup idea based entirely on the research report it just generated. And after just a brief moment of processing, we receive a highly structured, incredibly detailed business plan for an agent operations platform. It perfectly covers every single point we asked for. This truly demonstrates how simply, rapidly, and effectively you can use the Duvo platform to automate even the most complex, multi-layered analytical tasks. And as a final result, Duvo proposes a concrete startup opportunity, a vendor-neutral platform to deploy, monitor, and govern AI agents from any provider in one unified control plane. It includes a clear business model, target customers, and explains why this opportunity exists right now, delivering a complete, actionable startup blueprint automatically. Good luck with your project and have a nice day.